how to download Roblox on the Nintendo Switch, guys. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your system settings here. Once you've gone into system settings, you want to go into internet, then internet settings, and right here you will just want to find your Wi-Fi network which you are connected to. Then click on it, then click on change settings, go into DNS settings, set this to manual, and for the primary DNS you want to type this 045.055.142.122. Click on OK, click on save, and then you want to connect to this network. After you have done this, it should give us a web browser. So click on next and give it some time here to load, and it's gonna give us a web browser. So you just want to go to Google. So I'm gonna click on go to Google, and here you want to search for Roblox. So simply type Roblox like so, and click on done and click on search. So you will go to the Roblox website right here at the top, and once you are taken to the Roblox website, you can sign in. So here you just want to click on sign in once this loads. Alright, so we're gonna click on login, and I'm just gonna log into my account. And now once this website loads, you will have Roblox on the Switch. But how can we revert our settings and go back to normal? So what you want to do is go back into system settings here, and you will go into internet, then internet settings. You want to find again the network which you were connected to previously. So click on that network, change settings, and you just want to change the DNS settings from manual to automatic. Click on save. Alright, now connect to this network, and it's going to connect us back to the internet. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.